In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide fields in your Jotform forms. Whether you're new to Jotform or just looking to streamline your form design, by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to enhance your form's functionality. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Jotform dashboard and locate the form you're working on. For this example, we're working with an appointment request form. Open the form in Jotform's Form Builder. This tool is known for its intuitive design and user-friendly interface, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned users. Once you have your form open, you'll want to identify the specific section or field you want to hide. Sometimes you may want to hide certain fields to create cleaner forms, or perhaps make them conditional based on user responses. Click on the part of the form that you've decided needs to be out of view, at least for now. By clicking on it, you open up editing options that we'll be utilizing in the next few steps. With the desired field selected, look for the Properties button. It's typically a little gear icon nestled among other settings. Clicking on Properties is going to bring up a menu on the right side of your screen, providing more customization options for the field you've selected. This menu offers various tabs, and today we'll be heading over to the Advanced tab. Once you've clicked on Advanced, you'll see a range of settings specifically related to the field's visibility and behavior. One of these settings will be titled Hide Field. Now this is where the magic happens. You'll notice that the option here is set to off as a default. However, to actually hide the field, you would toggle the setting. It's as simple as clicking on it. When you do this, the field will no longer appear when users view the form. And there you have it. You've just hidden a field in your Jotform form. What's great about this process is that it's all reversible. Anytime you want the field to be visible again, you simply go back to the same setting and click to toggle it back on. And that wraps up today's guide on hiding fields in Jotform. By making use of these hiding features, you can create a more streamlined and efficient form, helping to guide your users' experiences and ensure you get the data you need.